Alright. Don't mind that. Okay, so let's get right into it. Now don't mind the Lego stuff. That's another video for another day. So let's open it up here. Inside of here, packing slip. Let's see. Let's get this open a little bit more. Blah blah blah. Every box we deliver, hungry people. That looks pretty. I don't know what that is, but actually looks really tasty. Now, mind you, I'm no like health nut or health freak. Like, really not, but some of these look pretty damn good. Okay. Now, alright. So the first one I got is Santa Fe corn sticks. Yeah. Okay, not bad. Flax fortune coins. Okay. Not bad. They look like little tiny cookies. Now the only thing I don't know how crazy I am about this box. I don't know. I feel like my snacks are gonna get crushed. Anyways. Asiago and cheddar cheese crisps. That looks good actually. That sounds really good. Roasted kettle kernels. That looks good too. That's corn. That's corn. I like corn. I'm a corn guy. Coconut cashews. I don't know how crazy I am about this one. No. Hey, if we don't try it, we'll never know. You know what I mean? Okay. Let's start with the one that I'm most worried about here. Coconut cashews. Alright, alright, alright. They smell. You want to smell the box? Yeah, I know. They smell like coconuts. Like coconut flakes. If you ever had coconut flakes, they smell just like that. And I think they're sprinkled with them in there. Yeah, a little bit. Alright, let's see. I'll give you my honest, sincere opinion about them. They're a little bit heavy, you know. Cashew. It's sweet. It's light. It's really crunchy. You get the peanut taste, the cashew taste right at the very end. Which are not bad. They are tasty. They are tasty. I gotta stop myself, honestly. It's coconut cashews. Little hesitant, not bad at all. Alright, next one we got Santa Fe corn sticks. Trash. Smell that. Smell that. Take a good whiff. Yeah. They smell like salsa. Ooh, got nice like Santa Fe corn stick dust. Save that for last. Look at them. They're just little sticks. And they're really covered in the little powder. No dry ones in this bag. They taste like a mix between Doritos and Fritos? Yeah, I think Doritos and Fritos. So far, I think I could sit down and like pound a whole bag of like each of these. Now I want to be disappointed. I want to be disappointed by one. Alright. Flax fortune coins. Mini cookies with flax seeds. Flax is good. It's good for protein stuff. Look in here. It smells like... Now this is a weird kind of smell because this one kind of takes me back to my childhood, which is really, really weird. It's it smells it smells like a pack of brand new Pokemon cards. Like when you open up one of the little booster decks that they give you, one of fresh cards. I don't know if anybody's ever smelled that. Maybe I'm going crazy, but Flax fortune coins smell like Pokemon cards. I can't even make this up. Anyways, alright. Let's see. Alright, nice and tiny. They're cute. I got 5 seeds in this one. Yeah. Okay. They're really light. Really crunchy. They're good. They're alright. They're just like a little bit sweet, not too sweet. Not bad. Alright. Asiago and cheddar cheese crisp. I'm gonna save this one for last, because that sounds delicious. Now this one sounds good too. Roasted kettle kernels. Honey roasted, toasted corn. What's the worst that could happen? Alright. Smell test. You guys get a smell too? Yeah? Okay. They smell like corn. Surprise! They're super crunchy. They're a little bit sweet, a little bit salty. You can definitely taste that honey. It's really light, but really sweet, and just lightly salted. Like if you lick your lips so you can taste the salt. It's not bad. It's really, really tasty actually. Alright, that's pretty good. Now I'm excited. Asiago and cheddar cheese crisp. I can't open this bag fast enough now. Alright. Let's see here. Oh, yeah. Oh, hello. Oh, I've missed you. What are you? I don't really understand the structure of this, but look at it. It's like a little roof on a really poor person's house. Anyway. Oh. Ooh. Oh yeah, you guys gotta smell them too. Get in there. Yeah, really get in there. Yeah. Okay. Smell that cheese? Yeah. Throw some cheese on that. They're really cheddary. The Asiago, you barely taste it, but it's there. These are just really odd shapes. I don't know what this is made out of. They're super crunchy. 10 pieces is 130 calories. Okay. Still. Super crunchy, super cheesy. They're okay. Asiago and cheddar cheese crisp. They kind of let me down. They're alright. They're really just alright. I'd probably give them to somebody else to eat them. But, yeah.